In this video, we will show you the disassembly of the DP25-45T1 dual rotation gear pump. First, the plastic caps on the inlet and outlet ports are removed. The pump is securely clamped in a vise. The 8M10 bolts connecting the body and the cover are removed. The cover is gently tapped with a hammer to remove it. The upper pressure plate is removed along with the long gear by using the long gear as support. Then, the short gear is removed. The lower pressure plate is also removed, completing the disassembly process. Thank you for watching.